Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I got a StitchFix unboxing to do today, which I kind of cheated. I already unboxed it, already tried on all the items. It has been a week since I've received this box, but I've already made my decisions and everything, but that doesn't mean I can't just show you what I got and do a little try on for you, alright? Before I really start this video, I do want to say I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now. I'm giving away a Becca First Light Priming Filter primer, and I'm also giving away a Laura Geller Nude Kisses lip gloss. It's one of the newer lip glosses they have, and a few more little items in there. It's like 9 total items. If you want to wait to the end of this video, I will have an end card with that giveaway video. That way you can easily click on it and go over there and check it out. So normally I start my unboxings by just trying on the pieces, or first showing you and then trying them on and then going over the price sheet and everything. But since I already know what I'm keeping and what's going on, I'm going to start with the price sheet and show you the items before I try them on right now. So the first item is the Just USA Willa Distressed Fray Hem Denim Shorts, and they are in the color blue, size 12, and they cost $44. That is these. And yeah, so I tried these on and they was a little tight on the crotch area, so I won't be doing a try on these. But I did already contact StitchFix, and they said that they were going to send me a size 14, and it's already like ready for me. So all I have to do is put this one in the prepaid envelope they send in the box and ship it back, and then they'll ship me my size 14s. So easy come, easy go. And since I am keeping all 5 items, I'm going to get that 25% discount on top of the $20 styling fee. Plus I had a little bit of credit. So yeah, I saved $25 off the credit. The next thing I have is Napean Sea Rd Esmira Keyhole Corset Blouse in Cobalt size large, and it is $58, which is the most priciest item, and it is the one I'm wearing right now. So I guess I could just go ahead and show you what it looks like on. I wore it to my daughter's graduation today, so yeah, that's what it looks like. Don't mean to show my boobs that much, but yeah, I don't have it on the right angle, but I will have it at the end of this video with a try on, a real try on. But yeah, I wore it to my daughter's graduation today, and I actually got a compliment right off the bat by my mom, which is not a normal person to comment about clothing items, but she just thought it was a very beautiful bright color, and that's great for spring/summertime. So, and I also got another compliment from another mother, which when she walked through the door, I was looking at her shirt because it was really cute, and then she complimented me on my shirt, and then I was like, I was just thinking about the same thing about your shirt. So the next clothing piece is 9 Britton Rainbird tie front knit top in the color dark gray in a size large, and it is $38. It is this one, which I have already tried on. So here is what it looks like out of the box. If you notice, like, it looks really short, which it is kind of short, and I'm not the one that normally likes short things because I have to reach up a lot and I don't like to show my pooch. But this one, I'm just going to wear a black undershirt just to make sure, but I tried it on without the undershirt, and it just complements the chest area really good, and I really like that. And it just makes my waist look smaller, which is weird because it has horizontal stripes, but it works, and you'll see that later. The next thing is the Vigoss Pixie Distressed Cuffed Shorts in the color black, size 12, $48. This was my favorite item out of the whole box. Try and get on, but I have not tried it, like went out with it yet. But it's just these very distressed black shorts, so I could wear it with multiple clothing pieces, and they just complement, and they're very high rised, so yeah, they just complement it, my booty and my waist and everything, my gut, just complements me very well, my body shape. If I wasn't going to be able to exchange those blue distressed jeans that I showed you on the first clothing piece, I was just going to get one item, and it was going to be those black shorts. But I'm glad everything worked out and I could get a larger. Ooh, did y'all see that, Big B? That way I could get the discount of 25% off all 5. And I love doing StitchFix, and when it works out where I can buy all 5, then I won't get another box until like 5 months later. So basically, if I only keep one item, I would get it the next month, just because I need more clothing, and I just like to get one piece a month, if that makes any sense. Because this girl cannot afford StitchFix every month, or I would. The next thing is the STS Blue Cotille Fray Hem Denim Short in the color white, size 12, and it is $39. So another thing I asked for was some white shorts, and these are, oh man, I already put a stain on them. These didn't come with the Dorito on them, but yeah, so they are white shorts. See the little Doritos I put on there? That's because I just got done, well, I just got done eating some Doritos right before this. But yeah, these are the white shorts, and I really wanted, some black distressed ones, I wanted white distressed ones, and I wanted some blue jean distressed shorts. So I got all 3 of those, and then I got 2 cute tops in this fix. And yeah, they're just very cute, very flattering. This ain't as distressed as the black ones, but they are a little bit. They're mostly just distressed right here by the butt. That's it. And they got the frayed hem. So they're not too distressed, but they're a little bit. But they're super cute. So if you was to like have the retail value, the Stylist Picks subtotal is $227. If you do the all buy all discount and saving 25% off, it will take off $56.75, and the order subtotal would be $170.25. I have a credit because my friend Angela from work got a StitchFix and actually ordered a box, so that gave me $25 off of this fix. So taking that off, it only is $145.25 altogether. So I'm keeping all 5 since they're going to do the exchange with the blue shorts. But yeah, I do have a referral code, and they did change the rules a little bit. It's not $25 anymore, it's only $15. I believe the styling fee is still $20, so basically if you hate this subscription box, you're only going to lose $20, but they have such excellent customer service. All you would have to do is contact them and say, hey, this box didn't work out for me, could you waive that styling fee, and maybe we could, I would like to retry this subscription, and they more than likely would work with you and send you another box, and you can only pay that $20 from the first time it not fixing. They'll like discount that out and then just add it for your second box. Instead of $20 for this box, $20 for that box, if that makes any sense. It's only $20 to try out, which is just the styling fee. And if you keep only one item out of all 5 pieces, you get that $20 taken off of that clothing piece. So for example, my cheapest item today was the Britton Rainbird tie front knit top, the gray top, and it was $38. So if all you liked was this $38 shirt out of the box and you kept that one, then they would take the $20 off, and all you would have to do is pay $18 extra basically. But the great thing is, and what I tried to do, is get that 25% discount, because you still get the $20 off for buying anything, and then you also get 25% off of your subtotal order from all 5 pieces. That's what I love to do. But I can only afford this maybe every 5 months. I don't really need that many clothes anyways. I try to take care of my clothes as much as possible and hand wash them and just take care of my clothes. But I know stuff happens, like you won't know bleach touches it, a pin will get in your washer. That's mostly what stuff happens to my clothes. But I do really love StitchFix. Their customer service is excellent. They always drive to have excellent customer service. Like, I'm not even trying to make this up. I really love StitchFix so much. As you can tell, I have past videos of my StitchFix unboxings, so just use that as reference. You know I love it. It does cost a little bit more, but if you're like me and hate the hassle of going out and trying to find a particular item, or order online, even if you order online, you don't know how it fits until you get there, and then you got to go to the store to return it. You don't have to on this. They send it to you. If it doesn't work out, you just put it in that prepaid envelope I showed you. This little envelope, it already has your address on the other side. I'm just not going to show you my address, but it's already filled out. So all you have to do is rip this little thing off and tape it down and put it in your mailbox and send it off. And it doesn't cost any extra whatsoever. If you want any tips of how to get the best StitchFix, just do an excellent Pinterest board. What I like to do on my Pinterest board, I go to, you know, the search bar, and I'll put StitchFix summer, and then it pops up a whole bunch of clothes, and all you have to do is click on the ones you like, and then click on the little save button, and then go to where your StitchFix board is and get the link, and then put that link on your note to your stylist. But yeah, now I'm going to go try these items on for you. Alright, this one is the Vigoss Pixie Distressed Cuff Shorts. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's this one. And if you are my stylist, Bryn, and you want to know what to get me on my fall fix coming up, I do have a jacket that is similar to that one, so that one would not, you know, I'm good on that. But I do like that white vest right there. I don't really love these shoes. Love the shorts that I have on. That is cute. I wouldn't mind having that in my fix, and those shoes are cute. Wouldn't mind those either. But yeah, these are the shorts on me. Sorry about the angle or whatever. But this is the best I can do. But yeah. And this is also the Napean Sea Rd Esmira keyhole corset blouse. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right either, but that's what it looks like on the card. I don't like any of these items that is right here or here, but I do love the top, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to try on my next piece. Alright, this is the second top. It is the Britton Rainbird tie front knit top. Let's see. Okay, I don't think StitchFix does hats, but I really love that hat. And I love that little book bag. I love the little light green pants, and I love those shoes that go with it. But this is the top. And yeah, as you can tell, it really, I like how it makes my bust area look. And the waist area looks good. And it's got that little knot right here. And here's the back. And the shorts I am wearing is the STS Blue Cotille Fray hem denim short. And the pieces I see that sticks out to me is this little top and that necklace. That's the only two items I like. But the shorts are cute, and here they are. Like I said, sorry about the lighting and the angle, but this is the best I can do with what I got right now. And I already told you I can't show you the just USA Willa Distressed Fray hem denim shorts because I'm going to return them because they are a tad bit too small. The main area of concern, if you want these shorts, which I am going to own when I do the exchange, just size up if you need a little bit more room in, like, you know, the crotch area right here, because it does fit a little bit tighter on those shorts. So I got a size 14 in those. The only thing that they have that I like that they have it matched up with is that top right there. That's cute. But yeah, that is my StitchFix, and I'll read you the note. It says, "Your style delivered. Hey Valerie, so glad the last fix worked for you, and I hope you're having an awesome spring. I noticed lots of shorts pinned on your Pinterest board, so I included several pairs for you to try. First, we have the Just USA denim shorts in cool distress wash. Pair them with a white blouse RT and sandals, or pair them with a white blouse RT and sandals or wedges for a great look, similar to outfits you pinned. I also grabbed the STS blue denim shorts in white, which are super versatile. And we have a Vigoss shorts in black. You can wear the non-Britton top, which is in the cutest striped style, with any of the shorts and side sandals. And I was happy to include the Napean Sea Rd blouse that you pinned. Try it with any of the shorts, hoop earrings, and strappy sandals. I hope you have fun trying on. Looking forward to your feedback. Best, Britton." So that's my stylist note. And yeah, like I said, I'm keeping all 5 items. I'm gonna have to exchange that one to keep all 5. But yeah, I did already contact them. They said just basically fill it out, and there you go. It's all done. Don't forget, I do have my referral link in my description box below, and I will have a playlist at the end of this video of my past Stitch Fixes if you're interested in seeing like a little Stitch Fix marathon from me. Don't forget that I do have that giveaway going on, and yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you buddies next time. Bye!